All right, so I'm gone this afternoon, but I expect that fifth grade will make great progress on their Penguin Research Unit and have it completed by the end of the hour. Depending on where you are, you may need to use location and access and use of information. If you are still taking your notes, use of information is where you'll find your notes form. Location and access is where you will find your resources. If you are writing your Penguin letter, you will find it in synthesis, or if you are starting your Penguin letter, you will find it in synthesis. Your Penguin letter, if you've already started it, you will probably find it in Google Docs. So you'll need to use your waffle and go to Docs, and your half-completed letter will probably be there. This is where the template is located, but when you are all done with your letter, this is where you turn it in. After your Penguin letter has been turned in, use your breadcrumb trail and go back and complete evaluation. In evaluation, there is just a quiz. I believe it is about 7 questions. It should not take you very long. You need to start new attempt, take the quiz, and complete it, submit it, and then you are done with the unit and you may go to Typing Agent.